Understanding the phrase, safety goggles on, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical phrase, safety goggles on. This phrase is not just about the words, but also about the context and usage in everyday English. So, let's dive in and learn something new today. The phrase, safety goggles on, is actually quite literal. It refers to the act of putting on safety goggles, which are a type of protective eyewear. However, it's not just about the physical action. This phrase is often used metaphorically to mean preparing for a risky or challenging situation. It's like saying, get ready to face something tough or dangerous. In a literal sense, in a laboratory or workshop, when someone is about to perform an experiment or handle dangerous equipment. In construction or industrial settings, to remind workers to protect their eyes. Metaphorically, in everyday conversations, when bracing for a difficult situation, like a tough negotiation or a challenging task. In movies or books, characters might use this phrase to indicate an upcoming adventurous or risky scene. 1. Literal use. Before we start the experiment, make sure your safety goggles are on. 2. Metaphorical use. We're about to discuss the budget cuts. Safety goggles on, everyone. It's going to be a tough meeting. Understanding the context is key in English. The same phrase can mean different things depending on where, how, and by whom it's used. Always pay attention to the situation and the speaker's tone to grasp the true meaning of phrases like, safety goggles on. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, safety goggles on. I hope this has been informative and helps you understand not just the phrase, but also the importance of context in English. Stay curious and keep learning, and remember, sometimes you need to put your safety goggles on in language learning too. See you in the next video.